Striking Boeing workers reached a deal, and health insurance costs for businesses are expected to rise for the most in 15 years.
Jane King is at the New York Stock Exchange with those stories and more in today's Morning Business Report.
Good morning. U.S. businesses are facing the biggest health insurance cost increases in at least 15 years. Costs for employer coverage are expected to surge about 9.5% next year. That's according to an estimate from Aon, while an employer survey by WTW suggests that increase will be 9.2%. Insurers say rising premiums for health coverage are driven by the growing cost of health care. And this includes higher costs for hospitals, expanding use of services, and pricey drugs, including the popular weight loss and diabetes treatments. Well, the U.S. is set to increase its manufacturing of amoxicillin, a widely used prescription antibiotic that recently faced a national shortage after Walmart and medical supply and distribution company McKesson inked a deal with the nation's lone manufacturer of the drug. U.S. Antibiotics says it expects to produce enough amoxicillin to meet 100% of the nation's demand for the medication. Under the deal, Walmart pharmacies will offer the U.S.-made amoxicillin. Stocks hit fresh records yesterday after new inflation numbers bolstered confidence about the Federal Reserve interest rate cut this month. The New York Stock Exchange will continue its tradition of remembering and honoring the victims who died on September 11th, 2001 at 9:20 a.m. The exchange will observe a moment of silence before the opening bell. Well, the union that represents striking Boeing defense workers said it has reached a tentative agreement with the company that's subject to a final vote on Friday. The agreement, set for 5 years, includes better wages and restores a signing bonus. That's according to the International Association of Machinists and the Aerospace Workers Union. Members of the union, largely based in St. Louis, will vote on that agreement Friday. Okay, Oracle founder and CEO Larry Ellison has unseated Elon Musk as the world's richest person, at least briefly. Ellison's fortune jumped by $100 billion yesterday after Oracle shares soared on its booming AI business. At the close, Ellison was worth $383 billion. From the New York Stock Exchange, I'm Jane King with your Morning Business Report.